All right, so we are live now. Okay, so what we're going to cover is basically AI tools and extensions that we can work, that we can use on a Google Sheet. So for that, first we went to Google Sheets. We just checked for Google Sheet and then we got into this page. We just searched for Google Sheet, then we clicked on the first link. After that, we clicked on Good Sheets. Now we have come under Sheets. So here number of untitled sheets are there. So let me just take one more sheet. Okay, so here we have a Google Sheet. Now here we have something called extensions and we have something called tools. So I'm getting into extensions and I'm getting into add-ons. So here if this is GPT for slides or Sheet GPT, AI Chat GPT for sheets is already enabled. But otherwise, you can just click here, go say add-on, and search for Google Sheet. As soon as you search for Google Sheet, you have Copper CRM or AI real-time inventory with Google Sheet, sheet automation, automate Google Sheets, translate my sheet, Google Sheet translator. So a lot of stuff of PDF filer for Google Sheet. Again, a lot of various extensions are there basically, which are basically working on a Google Sheet. So here I wanted something called Sheet GPT. So I just search for Sheet. So GPT slides, Sheet docs, Sheet Go. Let's see Sheet Go. So there are a couple of paid one, couple of free one. So I generally go with free versions. So here is a sheet go, connect, transfer, filter, splits, merge, Google Sheet, Excel CVs. So I did not use it, but seems to be interesting. So here I have a demo, how exactly I can use input data from multiple files into one. Awesome. So from CSV files or Excel files, I can actually import into one. That is something really good. Export data to multiple destinations. I can export to sheet, I can export to PDF, I can export to doc, I can export to email also. That's amazing. Then filter by query. Uh, I can also filter by query. I can write my own queries. Schedule automatic transfer. That's also amazing. Create an automated cross-cloud workforce workflow. Very good. Easily visualize your workflow and track where your data goes. So all these tools are extensions are actually existing. It's just that we just need to get into it and try to understand how these tools and extensions are working. You can take a look at the demo over here. As I mentioned, I did not use this um, sheet go till now, but something new I'm seeing. Definitely, I'm gonna dive deep in this. I'm gonna learn what exactly is this. But just in case if I find it really amazing, definitely in our next session, I'll be able to cover. Meanwhile, I'll just have an installation of it. So if it is free, I'll use it. If it is paid, I'll not use it. I'll remove it.
Uh, Hi Shiv,
Yeah.
hi everyone. So Shiv,
Mhm.
you have opened this spreadsheet. Then where to search this one?
Yes, exactly. So you have to go to extensions and then you
Okay,
have to click on add-ons and then get add-ons.
get add-ons.
Here,
Okay, yeah,
otherwise this sidebar will be visible. In this sidebar, you click on plus,
yeah.
either from here or either from this sidebar. Then search anything. There was one tool called Get Prospect, which is not working now. Earlier it was working. That was an amazing tool, in fact. Derek ones are all paid ones. So I'm not used. Tamba are also paid. So this is something new one. And transform your prospect list into rich data set of LinkedIn URLs. So for Chrome extension, we go to the Chrome Web Store and we get it from there. This is the sheet extensions. We can go to the extensions and click on extensions over here and we'll be able to add. Let's say just search for LinkedIn.
Hello.
Yeah.
Class रे వచ్చింది.
What?
So
Can I just go? I'm just adding all these extensions for the first or second time, which I've not used frequently, but I'm just showing you how do we actually search for the extensions that we need. Let's suppose I need some extensions which can work on LinkedIn or for LinkedIn or can get the leads from LinkedIn. So I'm just taking a look at those. And as I mentioned, if it is free, I'll use it. If it is individual, I'll uninstall. If it is paid, I'll uninstall it. Lead high, filter to LinkedIn emails paper. So what does it do? Let's see this also. Job change tracker, get job change alert or add new leads, keep contacts up. Okay. Supermetrics, easily connect and export all your Google ads. LinkedIn profile URL finder. Pull data from anywhere it is. Used. Wishes. Connect apps like Facebook, Import from web, import data from any website into your spreadsheet. So I would not use two automated tools because if it is, if LinkedIn is getting suspected about my account on automation and all, then it might block my account. So I would not go anything which works on a LinkedIn. Don't use any tool which works on a LinkedIn and which are working in a robotic speed. A kind suggestion. Because I've seen people coming to me, they're saying our LinkedIn got blocked or we started getting alerts as soon as we started using these tools. That's reason I've actually removed a couple of AI tools and extensions that we can use it on LinkedIn. But more of good, it is doing more harm than the good. Create posts to multiple social networks such as Facebook, LinkedIn. This I don't know, but I think this is also good. Work GPT, AI Chat GPT, Gemini Cloud, Llama, Indocs, Gmail Sheets. Okay, let's take this as well. Browse AI sheet, extract and monitor data. This I know. This is dangerous tool.
Ship, how to find out whether I mean it will save for LinkedIn or not?
If it is creating robo-like activity immediately without taking you uh, step by step, then I think those tools are really dangerous. Some tools, without even asking us, it directly starts automating. So that is something you will be really what we say worried of. Okay, all right. So I think we'll go in the interest of time. So now we have downloaded these many sheets. Now what we'll do on Google Sheets, first we have gone to the extensions and then we went to the add-ons. Then we were search with sheet or GPT or LinkedIn or anything. Then we got a couple of extensions and then we started adding and all these extensions we just added. So now let's say one by one we'll go. GPT for slides, sheet docs, and I'll say start. I'll see what exactly it's doing. So GPT for doc sheets. So some are free, some are paid. So it is saying generate table, analyze range, complete table, formulas, GPT formulas. So it's asking me to create formulas and all. Open a demo sheet without data, create a, it is showing up something like this. So yeah, little confusing, little techy. So I would say if you have time, just explore it, but otherwise I may not use this. Might not be my go-to tool. So I just go extensions, help, view in store, and then uninstall. If it is easy to use, I'll just go ahead and start using it. But and which was there are 5 million plus downloads, so I think definitely it's easy to use, and the ratings are also pretty good. You can actually dive deep on it, sit for some time, dive deep on it, and then you can use it. I would not say it's not good or it's not thing. So slide bar. So that's a sidebar. LinkedIn bulk search. Let's see how does that works. Name, company, title, output. Okay. Select the current active column in your sheet. Okay, let's see. Name, company, title. So here is a name. Here is a company. Here is a title. And here is the output from row 2. Okay, let's see what does it do. Okay, so great. It did something LinkedIn bulk search. So it created a search over here. And then Nikita Tiwari, one of our ex-employee, name, company, title. So Shiv Kumar Gurram, low, it's not the right profile, it says. So it went to LinkedIn, search result people, Shiv Kumar Gurram. So it only created a search, something like this. Okay, it's asking me to log in. As I mentioned, this tool keeps coming and keep going. So it just search for Shiv Kumar Gurram and minus in title Shiv Kumar Gurram. Again, syntactically very wrong. That's the reason AI tools are not always in favor. They're still learning. So there's a lot of data which can go wrong. So I would say no, not an efficient tool. So I just go here, bulk search, help, view in store, uninstall. Maybe by mistake if you have installed some of the great tool, but if it is not working for you, you can uninstall it like this. Just go to help, view in store, and uninstall. Again, we'll just go LinkedIn links, show slide bar. I'll delete this. Again, this seems to be working. Name, company, title, output column. This seems to be working like that and upgrade to Pro pretty much. And it's also giving me only 20 searches, I believe. And that's a paid tool actually. Get profiles. Okay, LinkedIn profile URL finder. Get profiles. Okay, purchase more units. How to use, change. I'll say get profiles. So thank you for installing LinkedIn profile. So tutorial pricing. So it's asking me to, let me just go to pricing. Free up to 100 URLs on sign up. Then 10 URLs added to existing units on the first of every month. So 10, 10, 10 it will add. Otherwise, it's paid after that. But let's see. Load template. So it's loading. So name, country, company designation. So how does that work? How to use? Let's see the movie. Let me share the sound as well.
LinkedIn Profile URL Finder, Google Sheets add-on to generate LinkedIn URLs for any active LinkedIn profile. Start off by installing the Google Sheets add-on directly from the Google Workspace Marketplace. This add-on is compatible with all major web browsers and only requires a Gmail account for installation. You can also find the link to download the add-on in the description. Next, enter full names, country, and optionally company name and designation for precision. In any cell, input the full names for which you want to discover LinkedIn profile URLs with the country name. Also, you can add the company name and designation in the adjacent cell for more accurate results. You can also click on Extensions. Then under the LinkedIn URL Finder tool, you will find the option to initialize sheet, which provides a pre-made consistent format for you to use as shown here. Once you have entered all the details, select the cells containing this information. Navigate to the Extensions menu, then choose LinkedIn Profile URL Finder from the drop-down. Click on Get Profiles and the tool will initiate the process of discovering LinkedIn profile URLs. It usually takes about 10 to 30 seconds to generate depending on the data. Ensure that the columns maintain a consistent format to generate URLs and ensure the selection of all columns regardless of whether or
So let's say name. And then just go extensions, LinkedIn profile, get profiles. Okay, so here I got my profile URL. That's cool. But again, as I mentioned, um, so that is something we need to know the name, we need to know the country, and we need to know the company, and then based on that, it will give us. Uh, let's say stat PayPal, country, India. So let's see in case if this gives extension, LinkedIn profile, get profiles. I think name also we should select. We did not select it, but let's see. No result fetch. Okay, so this is not working. We need that name. Let's say some random name. What else? Let's see now. Tools. So with that name, if some profiles are existing, it will show. If it is not existing, it will not show. So it's not showing it. So yeah, not that effective. So again, I'll just go here, help, within store, and then uninstall. Close, data and delete. All right. Again, I just go to extensions. So let's go for Sheet Go or Sheet GPT. Enable Sheet GPT. So we have worked for, we checked a couple of tools like this. It's not working that great. So let's go for a Sheet GPT. So I'll just enable Sheet GPT. Okay, so here is a command. You can now use equal to GPT and any function. Something like equal to GPT. Tell me three things GPT can do to help my small design agency. Okay, sure. I just say okay. So that's a Sheet GPT. We have enabled this one. It says enable. We have just enabled. So I say equal to GPT. Okay, so GPT, I have it. GPT list, GPT fast, GPT image. Let's try first. This is on work GPT. This is based on this one. Work GPT for workspace. But otherwise, OpenAI GPT, OpenAI GPT, OpenAI. This is for workspace. This is for OpenAI. So I'll say GPT name file. So again, in the double quotation, the command should be. So here also we are using GPT, but here the way we give the command, the way we give the prompt is little different, where we have to give first equal to GPT, open the bracket, get the list of 10 startup companies in India. And then close quotation, close the bracket, enter. So error could not get your account email address. Please go to enable. Just give a simple one, name file animals. Okay. It is not. Okay. T list. Okay, so yeah, we get the list of 10 startup. That is GPT list we have used it. So we are getting a list. But normal GPT command should also work, but I don't know why it is not working. So only GPT is not working. There's some error. Otherwise, again, I've typed GPT. Maybe this is contradicting with this. So either one of the tool might work at a time, but otherwise GPT list work pretty much fine. Let's say GPT image. Create an image of boy eating pizza in a swimming pool. So it is thinking, it is creating in a backend. So it has created some image. Wow, that's nice. Create an image of boy eating pizza in a swimming pool. That's good. Again, so GPT. Again, I'll select image. Create an image of people. Resumes to get interviewed at Google. Create an image of people standing in line with resumes to get interviewed at Google. So basically nowadays on LinkedIn, you're seeing some images, right? A lot of images are coming, some creative images. They all are using something like this, either on a Google Sheet or there is something called uh, on a Microsoft Edge. You can give a prompt and you will be able to create that. I'll cover it today in which ways. Wow, that's nice. Again, I'll say equal to GPT image.
Ship, before creating that's double quote or star? It's not clear.
Good.
Okay.
I'm unable to do that. Create an image of donkey interviewing monkey in a corporate. Let's see what it has created. Oh my God, that's amazing. Hmm. Key. Smart monkey in a professional dress at a corporate. Let's see. Now we have a given. Create an image of donkey interviewing smart monkey in a professional dress at a corporate. Let's see what does smart monkey means for a GPT. Wow, that's amazing. Clear how to use Sheet GPT on Sheet. So like that, you have a GPT doc, you have a PPT doc, you have a various GPTs actually for a Google Docs, for a Sheets, or for PPTs, or any of the uh, tools supported by Google. So just a GPT and then again image. Now I'll see. Awesome. Create an image of lots of people attending conference at jungle. Same, I'll take it. And doing yoga. So create an image of lots of people attending conference at jungle. So this is how lots of people attending conference at jungle. That's amazing. Let's make jungle a bit technical. Technical jungle. Let's see how does the technical jungle would look like for GPT. Okay, this is for create an image of lots of people attending uh, conference at jungle and doing yoga. Wow, it's understanding what yoga means. So create an image of lots of people attending conference at jungle and doing yoga. This has created. Now let's see what create lots of people attending conference at technical jungle. Let's see what does technical jungle means for GPT, not for us. Ooh, 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 that's amazing. This is like Avatar. Isn't that cool? Yes, no. Let's say super tech jungle. 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 Super tech jungle filled with technical animals. Whoa, this is like Avatar, definitely an Avatar. Yeah, team, how is it?
Excellent.
Excellent, right? That's amazing. So yeah, what image you want to create? Anyone wants to? Some crazy thought coming to your mind?
Managers versus leader.
Create an image of manager versus leader. Create an image of create an image showcasing the quality of manager versus leader. Current users have exceeded your plan limit. Please upgrade. So sheetgpt.ai pricing immediately increase use. So I think now it is asking me to go for a paid version. But yeah, that's how this sheets we would be using it. So there are a lot of things going on. Okay, so this things keeps coming, this keep going on. Last time when I was starting a batch, there were some other tools which was working pretty amazingly well, absolutely for free of cost. Then later we realized either they made it paid or recently Google has removed a lot of tools from their web store. So they have become the scapegoat for them. So let's see what the sheet go does. Okay, welcome. Let us customize your experience. Okay, as a student, next, beginner, finish. Import data, pull data, start creating your first connection, import data, pull data from other files into the spreadsheet, export data, push data. Okay, this is for basically importing and exporting the data. So yeah, that's how we use various tools and extensions on a sheet GPT, on a Google Sheet basically. So here you just go to the add-ons and search whatever you want. There would be a um, sheet means there would be a tools coming in. And once you get the tools, read about the tool, take a look at the demo. If you like it, install it, and then see how does that particular tool works under the demo session. Every tool has a demo of it. And once you understand the demo, start using that particular tool. In this way, you might come across some of the tools which could be working perfectly, amazingly well for you or some tools which are not really working out. So that's completely fine. It's still learning. It's a phase of learning. The AI is still in a phase of learning, and people are building such tools day in day out. A lot of tools coming in, a lot of tools going off. So don't worry about it. But end of the day, how do you actually search the new tools which are active in the market is what I wanted to express over here. All right. So I'll just take a pause. Any doubts, any questions on how this tool works on various extensions? Again, work GPT for workspace here also it is there. GPT workspace, selected test, improving action.
Ashiv, it is
Yeah,
asking permission when
yeah,
we,
yeah. You give permission, no worries.
no worries, right?
No worries.
Can I share my screen?
Sure.
I think you need to enable.
Yeah, you can share me.
Uh-huh. It's visible, right?
Huh.
Okay,
Continue.
continue. Dissolve permission is okay, right?
Yeah, yeah, that and all is fine. No problem. Okay. So fine then, we'll just take a quick break of around 15 minutes and then we'll be back by 8:15 and then we'll go over with data miner. Let's give a second. So AI tools and extension to work on Google Sheets. Okay, then we have a Margo and then we have a data miner. So first we'll complete data miner. After that, we'll complete Margo. All right, so just be back at 8:15 sharp. So we'll stop here. Again, we'll rejoin the same link. Thank you. Bye.